Disney Frozen Snow Angels. Little princesses Elsa and Anna are supposed to be playing quietly in their rooms while their parents entertain important visitors. But they're having fun with Elsa's magic instead. First, Elsa adds a row of ice statues to the castle art gallery. The ice sculptures surprise and impress the visiting Baron of Snoob. "Remarkable," he says. His wife, Baroness Bertilda, just sniffs, very loudly. Next, Elsa and Anna scamper into the kitchen. "Let's have a snowball fight," says Anna. Elsa fills the room with huge snowdrifts. When the tour party reaches the kitchen, the girls are gone, but the snowballs are still there. "Delicious," exclaims the Baron. "Thank you for giving us an icy treat on a warm summer's day." The Baroness sniffs again, but she still eats her snow cup. Now the girls run into the ballroom. Soon they are climbing up Elsa's ice hills and sliding down again. "Let's make snow angels," says Anna. As the royal visitors enter the ballroom, Baroness Bertilda slips on the snow. The king and queen rush to her side, but before they can apologize... "Snow angels!" Bertilda cries. "I love snow angels! Let's make some more!" "Delightful!" chuckles the Baron. Arendelle certainly knows how to make its visitors feel at home. That night, the king looks at his sleeping daughters and whispers, "Who would have thought a palace filled with snow could be a good thing?" "Leave it to our little snow angels," the queen says with a smile.
Another one.
If you'd like to read more with us, we've got plenty more books we'd love to share with you, and hit subscribe below. Thank you.